In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Clover with QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just starting with QuickBooks or looking to streamline your business operations by integrating these two powerful tools, I'll guide you through each step. First, if you're new to QuickBooks, you'll want to start by heading over to their website to create an account. Simply click on the Sign Up button to get started. For those who already have an account, you'll go directly to the Sign In page. Make sure to secure your account with a strong password and remember your login credentials for future use. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to select the company file you wish to work with if you manage multiple businesses through QuickBooks Online. After logging in, navigate to QuickBooks' dashboard. You'll want to locate My Integrations, as this is where the magic happens. Click on it and then proceed to Find Integrations. In this section, you'll be able to explore a variety of integrations that QuickBooks offers. However, today, we're focused on Clover. Use the search bar to type in Clover and hit enter. You should see Clover by Commerce Sync as one of the top options. Click on it to learn more about how this integration can benefit your operations. The information provided will give you a comprehensive understanding of the functionalities and advantages of syncing Clover with QuickBooks. Next, you'll need to explore the Clover pricing section. Here, you'll find the various pricing plans available through Commerce Sync for linking Clover with QuickBooks. This is a great moment to consider what plan aligns best with your business needs. Be mindful of both your current requirements and potential growth, as the right plan will cater to both with ease. Lastly, go ahead and sign up for a plan that suits your business. The site will guide you through the integration process, step by step. This part is pretty straightforward, but if there are any sections where you feel stuck, support is just a click away. And with that, you are all set. Congratulations on successfully linking Clover with QuickBooks Online. This integration should help in reducing manual data entry, minimizing errors, and saving you valuable time so you can concentrate more on growing your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.